Welcome back to another video in my channel Law and Insurance. First of all, I'm going to give you a disclaimer about the videos present in this channel, that everything which is said in the video, every material, every knowledge that we're giving on in this video, this is not a legal advice. Okay, whatever we're going to tell in these videos and the information that we're going, it is purely for knowledge purposes and for information purposes, right? It should not be taken as a legal advice. Okay, I do not hold any rights to anything that is going to be said in this video. It is purely an information based videos, right? So in today's video, we're going to discuss about the maritime injuries and the need of the lawyers. Previously, we have been discussing about the maritime lawyers, and also specifically we have discussed about the Houston maritime lawyers and the New Orleans maritime lawyers. Okay, so in this video, we're going to discuss about the maritime injuries and why the maritime lawyers are needed, right? So firstly, what is the maritime lawyer exactly does? Personal injury lawyers come in a variety of forms, including maritime lawyers and attorneys. They deal with instances involving boat incidents, maritime injuries, and even commercial maritime matters. Now, here we're going to discuss an example, the Reach and Binstock, a Houston-based legal firm. So, in this video, we have taken the case study or an example of a Houston Maritime Lawyers Agency, right? It is a firm that is committed to defending the legal rights of injured maritime workers. The marine attorneys present at the Reach and Binstock can help you if you're having problems getting payment from your employer or an insurance provider. So if you're not getting any justice, you know which firm you have to contact. You have to contact the Reach and Binstock, which is a very great. It has a great rating. So during your free consultation call, the Reach and Binstock lawyers, the Houston maritime lawyers will check the facts of your cases and analyze how federal law applies to your claim and explain your legal options. They will judge your case, and they will test it, and then they will tell you what could happen for you and what could not. What are your possibilities, what are the positives of your case. In any personal injury case, affected workers need to have knowledge legal presentation. This is particularly valid in more intricate practice areas like maritime law. Reach out to a Houston maritime injury attorney at Reach and Binstock to speak with a kind, determined trial attorney about your case. It is critical to comprehend whether cases involving offshore accidents are genuinely covered by the maritime law and the maritime attorneys. Any legal matter arising on navigable waters in the United States is subjected to the maritime law. Waterways that can be traversed by boats are those that are used for trade, commerce, and international travel. Federal maritime law does not apply to any body of the water, such as the lake, that is entirely confined within one state. A broad variety of the maritime accident cases are covered by the maritime law. So, the person who specializes and is experienced one in the maritime law are the maritime lawyers, right? The Houston maritime lawyers and the New Orleans maritime lawyers are very, experienced and have a good rating. They know about the Jones Act and other cases, right? The cases involving offshore oil rigs, shipping mishaps, underwater welding mishaps, and other injury cases are a few examples. It may also be relevant in situations involving contract disputes, maritime insurance, and piracy. Due to the vast array of case types that come due to the purview of the maritime law, you require skilled offshore injury attorneys on your side. So this is a list of some of the accidents that occurred at the maritime, on the offshore borders. Accidents involving cruise ships, cargo ships, involving commercial boats and fishing, cases of untimely deaths, injury to oil and gas workers, shipbuilding mishaps, employee going too far, jack-up rig mishaps, injuries to deckhands, and dredge mishaps. So this is all about the maritime injuries and all about the maritime lawyers. So I hope this video finds you good. I hope if you have found this video valuable, please like and subscribe the video and share the channel also. Thank you so much.